Grand Rising family, how y'all doing today? I want to welcome you to this episode of Max Crypto News, where we talk about these intangible coins at all times, family. How y'all doing today? Listen, family, I want to give a toast to all my XRP fans. You know what I'm saying? Because the dump is on. I want to toast to the high life, to the high numbers, because XRP is dumping as I said it was going to do, family. Listen, if you're not subscribed to Bittrex on YouTube, click the link, click the link and go to the page and hit subscribe, family. Also, hit the notification button so you can get notified when I drop these videos, family. Also, hit the like button, leave a comment, tell me your thoughts, family. Listen, I know that it's a huge XRP army out here. Family, I know, because I like XRP too. But I ain't got no love for none of these coins, family. You got to understand, this is about profits and losses. That's how I look at this, family. So I ain't got no love for none of these coins. It's not about the love for them. It's about the profits and losses when it comes to me, right? So, also, if you're not enroll in my advanced crypto class, family, email me at maxcryptonews@gmail.com. Again, email me at maxcryptonews@gmail.com. It's a $99 fee, but you will get access to all the classes that we have done prior, and you will get access to all the classes that will be coming for the next 4 to 6 weeks, because we're 2 to 3 weeks in now, family, right? But with that being said, I ain't gonna toot my horn too much. We're just gonna share my screen and we're gonna jump right into this, family, right? So we're gonna go over here to CoinMarketCap, post all my XRP fans, you know. I'm part of that army too, but I ain't got no love for none of them, family. I ain't got no love for none of these coins. It's about profits and losses with me. That's all it's about with me. Ain't nothing personal. Right? So we can see Bitcoin at $18,070. Ethereum at $5,545.22. XRP, 54 cents, 53 cents. It's trying to hold strong, but it's a massive dump going on, family. We're going to check out the chart. You got Bitcoin Cash at $259.35. Litecoin at $72.06. Chainlink at $11.70. Domino at 13 cents. Polkadot at $4.62. You got Binance Coin at $27.40. I'm toasting y'all tonight. Then you got Stella at 15 cents, right? So, family, that's the top 11. I always like to check in on NEXO, because hopefully somebody listen. You ain't got to give me credit. You ain't got to tell me thank you. Now, hopefully somebody listen. NEXO is at 48 cents, down 5.59% today, but it's still looking good overall, family. So let's take it to the charts. XRP, here we go. Oh, it's back up to 55 cents. Let me refresh this, because I saw crazy. You see this candle right here? Wow, this is the 1 hour chart, family. So let's dive on in. Now, contrary to prior, to most people believe, the airdrop is in a couple hours. We got about 4 hours, a couple more hours. And you see this red candle? It got down to 52 cents. Now, it has recovered a little bit. That's a good sign, family. Right? So we ain't got down to 50 cents. So let me get out of here. Let me see. Let me see where do we got. Let me move this. Where we got a little bit of support. We got some 45-cent range, family. This is where we're looking at. Let me get right here. This is where our support, I say, we have support here. Got some support here. Got some support at the 50 cent range, family. We're just gonna look at it, you know. Family, it's nothing personal. Y'all gonna learn about me. It's nothing personal when it comes to the crypto. It's about gains and losses. That's what I'm all about, is gain and losses, family. Nothing personal. But when you've been in this space for a while, you can know the tendency of things. And we'll see. All right, so we got some support here at the 50-cent range. And then we got some more support at 45 cents. You know, these are our areas of support. We're gonna get out of here. Let's go to the 1 minute, the 30-minute chart. We're gonna look at the 5 minute and see what's going on. Good recovery. That's a good recovery. You see how I caught up with the 15-day moving average? The price caught up with the 15-day moving average. That was good here. This was a good recovery, good fight, XRP. But this was somebody dumped. Somebody dumped, family. Somebody sold. But you know, it pumped back up and it caught back with this 15-day moving average. So, you know, looked like it was trying to catch up with the 34-day moving average. But right now we're kind of like we've been moving sideways. You know, we had a little pump. We're moving sideways. We got a couple more hours to the snapshot. Probably about another, 18? About another 3-4 hours before the snapshot, family, right? So, but this is good right here. I must admit, catching up with this 15-day moving average. Look, it caught up with it. It's moving. You got some pumping and dumping. It's fighting. You got some fight with your XRP. Keep fighting. Keep fighting. You know, either you got a red candle. So either the buyers or the sellers who gonna win. All right, let's get to the 30-minute chart, family. Let me spread this thing out. 30-minute chart look like, you know, you had a dump. You had a massive dump right here, but it's fighting back. Somebody is fighting back. So you got a little fight left up in your family. But it's gonna dump, y'all. I'm sorry. It ain't nothing personal. It ain't personal, family. This is just realistic talk. This is what happens after halving. Things dump. But we are in a different type of market. I would admit that. This is a different type of market than we usually have been in, because you have a lot of institutional money that's been pumped into this market. So we're gonna see, family, but I'm still giving y'all toast. But some of us got out when we was over 60 cents because we saw the writings on the wall. But hey, toast to y'all, family. So let's go ahead now. Also, since we're talking about XRP, let's talk a little bit about when you're gonna get your coins, family. All right. So this is a tweet from NEXO. It says, because lots of you XRP holders have been asking, the Flare Network Spark Flare distribution is scheduled between March and May of 2021. NEXO XRP holders will take a snapshot at December the 12th at 00 GMT, right? But to go here, you can go to the Flare Network and the tweets, and you can find out how they're going to distribute the coins, family, because they're not going to distribute all these coins out at once. That's not how it's going. They're going to distribute them out throughout 3 years. It's a 3-year process before you receive all your Spark tokens. So they're going to be sending them out. Let me see. All right, let's see. We're going to get to it, right? It says, let's see if we can get here. Let me see something. Let's see something. Let's see something, family. Let's see what we can find out. Okay, here we go. It says, where is it at? But they're gonna, all right, here we go. It says, at NEXO launch, each account that has claimed Spark will receive 15% of the total Spark for which they are eligible. This is 15% of the Spark claimable term in the equation above. The remaining Spark claimable will be distributed over a minimum of 25 months and a maximum of 34 months. See that? It says you will receive 15% of your total Spark, which they are eligible. This is 15% of the Spark claimable term in the equation above. The remaining Spark claimable will be distributed over a minimum of 25 months and a maximum of 34 months. Each month, a certain number in the interval of 2-4 will be generated by the Flare Time Series Oracle. This number corresponds to a percentage of the initial remaining Sparks claimable, right? So for example, if a person X has 1,000 Spark claimable and 4% is picked every month by the FTSO, they will receive 1,000 times 15% is 150 Spark at day 1, and then what's that? 34 additional Spark per month for 25 months, coming to a total of 1,000 Spark. So they're going to give y'all percentage. You will receive percentages of your Spark every month for 24 to 36 months, almost 3 years, family. So that's basically how you're going to receive your Spark. And I think they says is in March is when they're going to start, but it's going to take a total of 24 to 36 months before you receive all your Spark tokens. So that is a long time to be waiting to get these Spark tokens, family. So now you know that usually causes FUD. When you gotta wait that long to get something, you know, people be flooding out, right? But we're gonna keep it moving, family, right? So let's take a little bit look at Bitcoin. See what's going on with Bitcoin today, family. All right. What's this? What chart is this? This the 1 hour? Okay. I ain't drawing the lines today. I already got one, and we already the one under that one. So we about to, you see this other line right here? 17,500. You know, this one is crooked. Yeah. But we'll keep it's like we keep getting closer to another low, family. So, you know, we're getting close to the 17,500 as far as a low. We don't want to. I told y'all we keep hitting these areas of support, family. It ain't looking good to keep hitting the areas of support. So we don't want to keep hitting the areas of support. We're getting closer and closer to the support at 17.5, family. I don't know. We'll see how the things progress, but you know, we kind of testing some waters, family, right? But actually, this is the best time to get in, family. If you're not enrolled in my advanced crypto class, this is the best time to get in. See, the problem is a lot of people want to join when stuff is going up, when it's the topic of discussion, when it's looking good. Oh man, the price going up. Everybody want to FOMO in then. Oh, let me buy in when the price is going up. In all actuality, you should be buying in when things is bottoming out. When things is going down, this is how you get your early Christmas gift. Because right now, Bitcoin is in the process of giving you an early Christmas gift so you can buy some percentages of Bitcoin at a cheap price before it soars, family. Take advantage of the situation. Don't sit back here and wait for it to start skyrocketing again and now decide you want to get in. Get in now. This is the time. It's giving you an opportunity, right? This is when you want to go and get in. Listen, family, we consolidating. We can see the writing on the walls. Common sense, current events, calculations. We can see this, family. We can apply this and see what's going on. Get in. Get in. Everything is down. This is when you want to get in. Join the class, family, because I'm giving you tips. I'm letting you know what's going on, family. But listen, you can see Bitcoin. Let's get out of here. Let's get to the 5. Well, we're gonna go to the 30-minute chart, right? And let's pick up. Let's see what's. Oh boy, see? Listen, y'all, family. I'm telling y'all, this is coming to play. Y'all, we don't want to break this because psychologically, once we get under 17,000, we got a little support here, right at 17,000. But psychologically, family, when we get under 17,000, you're gonna have a lot of people psyched out. Like, oh my God, you know, a lot of these new people gonna be FOMOing out. They're gonna be ready to sell. They ain't gonna be there because they jumped in at 19,000. You got people jumping in at 19,000. Now looking at Bitcoin drop down. Once it get under 17,000, oh man, like, you know, so we have to pay attention to this. It's giving you an opportunity to get in, family. Give me an opportunity to get in. So listen, take advantage. Let's try to get in here, family. Right? So we got a bullish cross. Hey, look, well, this was a bear. Yeah, bullish cross here. I mean, it just ain't looking good. But it's a good time to try to get you a piece of Bitcoin. Let's look at the 5-minute. 5-minute. Looking a little bit better. Nonetheless, a good bounce back. We're moving sideways. We need to stay above this moving average though. But we all over it, on top of it. Family, we consolidate. But this is where you make your money. This is where you make your money. Oh, let's go back to XRP. Uh-oh. 50 cents. I told y'all, I gave y'all the heads up. So all you people who didn't listen, who tell me I'm crazy, hey, the proof is in the pudding, family. Look at these red candles. Yo, let me look at this. We just touched the 50. Look, we just touched 50. We just touched it, y'all. Listen, y'all, XRP fans. I know it's a big army of y'all. I know, let me get out of here. I know it's a big army. I know it's a lot of y'all. You know, I'm part of y'all. But y'all better common sense, current events, and calculations tell you a lot, family. So now I tell y'all about the support. What I tell y'all about support. It's just like when you got support at home. That support, they'll support you once or twice. But you can't keep depending on that support. Because that support gonna fall. It ain't meant to be there to save you all the time. The support is to help you get back on your feet. But it's not to keep carrying that dead weight, because eventually it's gonna let you go. And right now, we done hit the support line twice. Family. And we ain't got to the snapshot yet. Family. We don't need to break this support. If we do, we coming down to 45 cents, family. If we break this support, we coming down to 45 cents. And then we got some more support at 42. But 35, 30, 34, 35 cents, we got support. All right, what's this? 39 cents, that's some support there. 39, 42. Family, look at this. We about to go under 49 cents. We got a spike, it moved. We about to go under 50 cents, family. It's bouncing back, it's fighting. XRP fighting, but it ain't gonna hold. I told y'all, man. I gave you heads up. I gave you 4-1. It's under 49 cents. It's under 50 cents. Hey, a shot to you, right? I toast you, you know, to the army of XRP. This is y'all toast, you know? We ain't got no love for none of these coins, family. It's about profits and losses. That's all it's about. It's about profits and losses. There's no love for none of them. None of them. I ain't got no love for none of them but Bitcoin and probably Ethereum. But other than that, everything else is profits and losses. It's not personal, family. Listen, we're going down. And I tried to forewarn y'all. I told y'all, you need to take this class, family. Take the class. Email me at maxcryptonews@gmail.com if you want to get involved in this crypto. If you want to get involved in crypto and see benefits, and it's fighting though. XRP is fighting. I give it that. Hey, it is fighting hard. The army is fighting. But you best believe, when that snapshot hit, they selling everything. And this is why Coinbase has frozen your ability to sell on their site. If you go to Coinbase now, you can't do that with XRP. Go to Coinbase. See if you can sell your XRP right now. They stopping it because of the snapshot. It's fighting back though. You know, we got a little fight. We're gonna keep it moving. I'm gonna let y'all see. XRP fans, you got some fight with you. We're gonna look at this 1 minute chart. We're gonna do something I never do. I don't never look at the 1 minute chart. It's fighting though. You got some fight in you. But y'all better look at this chart. You see this? Listen, do y'all see where y'all in the RSI? Family. It's fighting though. What you need right now? Tell y'all what y'all need right. Y'all need the moving average to come down here and meet y'all. You need this moving average to come meet you. It's coming. It's gonna come. But right now, this is what you need. You need this moving average to come down here and meet your family. It has to meet you. We got 10 seconds. Let's see if we get closer to you. This is what you need. The moving average has to come back down here and meet you. It has to. You're fighting though. Damn, I tell you, fighting. Rare counter. You're fighting though. The moving average dropped a little bit. right? So you need that moving average to come down there and meet you to kind of help you out. Let's go to the 5 minute. Listen, family, you got some fight in you, but the writings is all over the wall. You see these candles? The writing's on the wall, family. The writing is on the wall. So let me go back. Let me see to the 1 minute. I did want to see if the moving candle. It got closer. You see that? You see, it's getting closer. Let's see what happens. 9 seconds. Let's see if it catch up. Move, see? It moved a little bit closer. You see that? It's like clockwork, boy. You got to know how to read them charts. And see, you hit it. But see, this is the moving average you really want to get up to. You want to get to the next moving average, but you hit it. See, that moving average will help you out when it falls, family. It'll come down to you. You just got to hit it. But y'all are trending down, family. XRP is trending down. But let me get out of this. Let me go some. I want to show y'all some more information, right? I'm gonna play this video of one of the CEOs of NEXO, right? I ain't got no love for NEXO either. It's profits and losses. When it look like they're steam out, I'm out of them too. I'm selling. There ain't no love lost with me. All right, let's see. Let me see. All right.
So Anthony, I was going to take us on actually to.
All right, let me make sure I got
Laura,
it.
thanks very much. Laura, right there, out of London.
Hold on, let me stop sharing. Make sure I got everything right, family. I don't want no hiccups. We'll watch this video. We'll see what XRP did. We'll see what it do. I already done told you what it's gonna do. So, but we'll see. Let's go.
Laura, thanks very much. Laura, right there, out of London with your first word news. Now, the Bitcoin Club is getting bigger. Mass Mutual is the latest member to join, buying $100 million for its general investment fund. The digital currency has surged more than 270% since March, hitting an all-time high last month. It looked like it was on course to reach $20,000, but it's been down every single day this week. Joining us now is Anthony Trenchev, co-founder and managing partner of NEXO. Anthony, I got to ask first about the price action. $20,000, a big round number, looks like a ceiling it's bounced off of a couple of times. What do you think about that?
Matt, Anna, Christmas came early this year. Bitcoin is giving you a great entry point for you to purchase some Bitcoin just before liftoff.
How much?
So you think this is
Go ahead, Matt.
Sorry, so you think this is just another buying opportunity? And I know in the past on this program you've forecast Bitcoin to rise to $50,000. We've seen a lot of reasons why people would want to get in. The PayPal news to me is the biggest. What do you think the next impetus is going to be? What do you think the next big news for Bitcoin will be?
Well, first of all, there has been some rumor about last-minute legislation from the Trump administration. I think that this has spooked the market a little bit, and that combined with some profit-taking is the reason for this slight correction we're seeing right now. As soon as the air clears, and I can tell you what this regulatory changes would look like, it's going to be more anti-money laundering policies, more know your customers policies, just like in the banking sector. And ultimately, this is going to be a very, very bullish sign for Bitcoin, and that will set the stage for the next leg up. As you pointed out, I made a prediction about 50,000 by the end of the year. At least nobody lost money who followed my advice, but I do think that this is a reasonable price target even for Q1 or Q2 of next year.
So maybe it's the regulatory threat taking the edge off right now, Anthony. What about the retail investor? We've got a story this morning on the Bloomberg talks about how wealthy family offices are increasingly getting involved with Bitcoin. But what about the retail investor? Because I know that is something that you watch out for. And in 2017, retail euphoria was something that was maybe blamed for Bitcoin getting a bit too expensive.
Yes, well, this is a very different rally, and we see this on the NEXO platform because we have like a 360 degrees of the market, so to speak. Right now, since the summer, we've seen retail, we see institutional investors, we see high net worth individuals and family offices positioning themselves and purchasing Bitcoin and other crypto, which is very different from what we had 2017 and 2018, where this was a really retail-driven frenzy, where everybody was maxing out on leverage and credits to buy Bitcoin. This has not yet happened. Like some of the retail has come in, but nowhere near what we saw 2017, 2018. And this is usually the sign you're looking for sort of irrational exuberance, to borrow from Greenspan, and we haven't seen that. So this rally is fundamentally much more sound.
You know, for me, I mean, I know the story that we have on the Bloomberg today. It's one of the most read stories. It talks about family offices getting in for a large part because they think it's a convenient store of value. And indeed, you've seen a lot of funds even rotating out of gold and into digital currencies. But for me, it's really the transactional value of Bitcoin that's important. And I think PayPal moved us closer to that, right? I can now actually buy stuff with Bitcoin on PayPal. Firms like yours were already helping people, in a way, finance transactions with Bitcoin as well. When do you think we get closer to really using Bitcoin in a day-to-day way?
Well, the narrative has shifted somewhat from the early days where we were thinking that we're going to buy a cup of coffee with Bitcoin. Now it's more of a store of value narrative. That's why we see the rotation out of gold and into Bitcoin. And who could possibly blame the investors? $1 invested 10 years ago in gold yields you now $1.17, whereas a decade ago, if you put $1 into Bitcoin, you're too close to 20 million right now. So that speaks volumes in and onto itself. So Bitcoin is exactly this. It's a better version of gold. It's very easily transferable, as you said. It is easily and cheaply stored when compared to gold. And this has shifted the narrative for transactional for transactions on a daily basis. You will have to utilize something like well, sorry to toot our own horn here, but NEXO's offering where you can pay with your card and keep the crypto assets that secures your loan at the same time, which is the best of both worlds.
So Anthony, I was going to take us on actually to link to this conversation. Is that then store of value? Is that the social purpose of Bitcoin? There's a lot of talk this year in financial markets broadly across all kinds of asset classes about social purpose, about ESG investing and other connected matters. If you had to define the social purpose of Bitcoin, what would you say it is?
It is to defend us from the macroeconomic realities in a situation where just this year, due to the COVID crisis, we had trillions of new dollars pumped into the system. There's going to be a race next year and in the years to come for scarce assets, for hard assets, for hard currencies. So I think Bitcoin fits very nice into this narrative. I wouldn't rule out gold just yet. Its ability to persevere is amazing, but this is the social purpose, to store your value in this flood of cheap money and expensive monetary policies.
Anthony, I got to ask, Ethereum seems to be the one alternative that wealthy investors really prefer to Bitcoin. Is that the main runner-up or the main challenger, you think, to Bitcoin in the world of digital currencies?
It is a very good alternative. Well, I wouldn't say alternative, but a complement to any crypto portfolio. It has performed extremely well, mostly due to the DeFi craze, so to say, of this past year. The thing is that with the 2.0 launch of their platform, it's gotten a little bit like the Brexit situation. At some point, you just don't care anymore and can't follow it. You just, say at some point, just tell me when it's done and when I can utilize it. But the dev team there is amazing, and they are bringing great solutions. So ETH, definitely a great investment, and slightly cheaper on a dollar basis for those that have this psychological barrier of buying Bitcoin when it's so close to the all-time highs.
Thanks so much, Anthony. Really good to speak to you. Anthony Trencher, thanks for joining us, co-founder and managing partner of NEXO. Thanks for coming in this morning. Coming up on the program, just...
All right, family. Yeah, that's one of the co-founders of NEXO talking on Bloomberg about crypto and Bitcoin and how it's moving. See what XRP doing again, family. Still fighting. You got some fight in your XRP. That's good to see. We get to the 1 hour chart. And yeah, you're fighting, but we got some red candles, man, and family. Was around 58 cents. We got down to 49 cents. Yeah, we actually got under 49 cents. We actually test that, family. I don't want to say I told you so, but you can see the writing on the wall, family. The writing is already on the wall, so I'll wait till it dip and I'll buy back in. See, that's the name of the game. It ain't no love lost. If we get down to 45 cents, I'll probably jump back in. Wait till it finally bottom out, because I got a feeling after the snapshot, it's going to drop, and I don't expect it to drop and then bounce straight back up. As soon as people realize that the Spark tokens ain't coming no time soon, we're going to move a little bit sideways, family. And then it's going to take 36 months for them all to come. Yeah, we're moving a little sideways, but overall, I think XRP is bullish overall for the long term, yes. But right now, you're going to learn, family. The longer you stay in this crypto space, you know what happens when certain things happen, because it has happened over and over and over again. With that being said, family, I thank y'all for taking the time out to watch this video. And listen, subscribe to my YouTube page, Bitmax, where you can get this information. Also, if you want to join the advanced crypto class, listen, send me an email at maxcryptonews@gmail.com. Again, that's maxcryptonews@gmail.com. The price is a one-time fee of $99. You will get access to all the information, family. And I'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace.